I think you'll hear your usual headlines on this, but I wouldn't expect anything material to come out of this. The way to think about OPEC nowadays is they do believe they are a central banker of oil, so just talking can move the market. I think it's supportive of creating a bit of a floor, but I wouldn't expect any material action that changes fundamentals.
So what will then change the price of oil materially in either direction?
Well, we've seen a little bounce on just some short covering and positioning. The problem I have is I don't think we're fully out of the woods yet. There's a number of headwinds. We're still oversupplied. And one of the biggest challenges that we've seen, and it's been talked about, is this major oversupply in the gasoline market and a market share war on products that really ultimately needs to be resolved to get some visibility into the recovery. So I think it's a question of, do we send the right signals to fix that, and then ultimately just time healing markets.
So, Adam, you see oil averaging $40 in the fourth quarter, but you also say that it could trade as low as $35. From here to
Correct.
the fourth quarter, what is that driver to the downside? What do you see as causing that? Is it production coming back online because producers are lulled into the sense that there is a floor under oil right now?
It's to simply say it's all of the above. The challenge is we've had supply come back, particularly out of Canada, and that will show up in some of the weekly numbers we see going forward. So the bullish trend we've seen in the past or earlier this summer is likely to shift more bearish. That's separate from a global dynamic where I think the real challenge here is crude oil demand, although end market demand for gasoline and other refined products is relatively okay. I wouldn't say it's spectacular. It's slowed a bit, but it's okay. Crude oil demand from refiners is really where the challenge is going to be, just dealing with this product oversupply, and that's more important. We've seen a big divergence. Crude oil demand's underperforming, and that the importance of that is that a refiner is the real consumer of crude oil, not you and I. And I think that will be our catalyst.